Does anybody want like kind of a custom cruiser kind of look? Because I don't see many of these. I don't know if they're just not popular or what the problem is. But we're riding a Honda Fury. And just like the TW200, it's got a big old fat booty. All right. Oh my God, I gotta pull my pants up. There we go. So this bike is flat black and chrome. Got a nice big old fat V-twin, nice big old fat butt on it. And the good news is I'm wearing all black today too. Helmet's black, bike's black, pants black, black boots, black shirt. That's a lot of black. Let's get this thing going. Right off the bat, that nice V-twin torque. You gotta love that. Now, if you haven't seen one of these things before, they look kind of custom. They really do. But without the custom price tag. And of course, it is a Honda, so it's dead freaking reliable. We are going to be stuck here for a second. I'm not even sure. Yeah, it's like right around 4. Oh, like torque galore. Love a V-twin. Me personally, I do love V-twins. I don't own any of them. I might at some point in my life. But I love just that torque, just that roll on the throttle and the sound. Oh. I'm sure you've heard me, you know, talking about how much I love the sound of my FZ and how much I love the ZX6R and everything. I love most sounds out of bikes. Sometimes not a huge fan of the little single cylinder putt-putts, but some of them don't sound bad either. But you just cannot hate at all on the sound of a big old V-twin. So this thing kind of looks like a chopper, as I said earlier. I think they were kind of probably going for like that hardtail kind of look to it. And it's not a hardtail, it's got rear suspension. Because I mean, I'm hitting bumps and you know, I'm not feeling like fillings rattle loose or anything like that. See how it feels to lean it. Honestly, it's not as sluggish as I predicted with that big old 200 rear tire, man. Honda, you done something here. Honda has definitely done something here with this guy. Oh, sorry about the extra wind there for a second, guys. Something was flopping around in my eye. Probably like a bug knowing my luck. There's probably a bug in my helmet right now and he's all angry at me. Let's talk about, I mean, forward controls, you know, some nice laid back handlebars. See, I think this bike needs some ape hangers like sitting out right up here, man. That would just look awesome. Oh man, she just like wants to pull. She wants to pull nice and good. I like it. And I'm not the biggest fan of forward controls by any means, or like this general seating position, but I can dig this. This isn't too extreme. Now, I don't know how it would last for me personally after, you know, an hour on the road or so. But that's all personal preference. I can tell you now, most people prefer this kind of seating position. Oh God, that, yeah. Oh, I felt that in my spine. Checking their mail. Let her eat a little bit here. Nice little pull up to 60 there. We're still cruising to 4th right now. I mean, we could go up to 5th and just see just the torque just roll into it. Just, yeah, torque. All the torques! Now this is kind of a bumpy road, so we'll see. We'll see how much they've made it look like a hardtail, but not feel like a hardtail. My guess is it's not going to be as bad, but it's still not going to be that great. So I'm really hoping that Honda surprises me here. Because this is the kind of bike you want to just get out onto a country road like this and relax on. And just enjoy. You know, I mean, you're kicked back and relaxing. You got people towing trailers coming at you in the middle of the road because there's a small bridge. You got the lovely view of cornfields that need to be cut. So, alright, so we're coming up on the bumpier part of the road, and it's not doing bad. I mean, it's not a Cadillac by any means, but it's not a hardtail either. So, I can get down with this if I was looking for something that looked like this. And honestly, for that big old fat 200 rear tire, man, this thing feels nice and light. Like, for the size that this thing is, it's pretty light and nimble. So let's recap on this. You're getting a big old V-twin sound on a customish looking bike for a fraction of the cost of a big V-twin custom looking bike. You've got Honda reliability, gobs of torque, and on top of all that, it likes to lean, and it's not a slouch about it either. I like the styling of it, I really do. If I was in the market for something that looked like it was kind of customish, you know, and was obviously very well affordable. I mean, you're not looking at like, you know, a $50,000 custom chopper or anything like that with this. You're, you know, at a fraction of the cost of that, a very reasonable amount. And I'm sure Wayne's wants to sell this, so I'm sure they would probably hook you up with a pretty good deal. Just come in and mention my channel. Again, freaking views. Like, that's what these bikes are about. It's just cruising country roads, man. Oh, RIP my spine so badly right now. This is gonna hurt. That's why I don't like forward controls, me personally. Because I can't stand up on this. This is just, oh belly, oh God. The Fury is not bad at all though. I'm just being overly dramatic with the bumps. I would highly, highly suggest one if you were in the market for a bike of this style. Can we go, please? There's a Dip 350 again. wrap everything up? Looking for a custom style bike? Look at the Honda Fury. Come over here at Wayne's, buy this one. It's ready to go. Come over here, tell them that you saw the bike in this video. Mention my channel name, Can't Do Woolies. I'm sure they'll hook it up for you. They've hooked it up for other people that have come up because of me. Come on up here. Pick one up. You can check them out online, waynecycle.com. Go in there, talk to Jennifer. Tell her that you want the Woolies special. I just want to take another look at this thing real quick, guys. I mean, this is a big bike. Let's kill that key there. But I mean, just look at this thing. All the chrome and black. It's a pretty bike. And well worth the money if you're looking for something of this style. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Look me up on Instagram, Snapchat. Same channel name, Can't Do Woolies. Make sure to visit Wayne's Cycle, because without them, none of this content would be possible, and they're just awesome people all around. So, until the next time, peace.